Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check answers on Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Firstly, go to the search bar and type in Google Forms. Select this to sign into your account. Here, select the form whose responses you want to review. After opening your form, head on over to the Responses tab. This is where all the responses to your form are stored. You can view the responses in summary mode. This shows you a visual overview of all the responses. And you can also view it in question mode. This shows you the individual questions and the responses given to it. Finally, you can review it in individual mode. This shows you the responses of a particular individual. So here you can just scroll if you want to see the responses of the second individual. After reviewing all the responses, you can choose to export it to Google Sheets. To do this, click View in Sheets. And you will see the responses showing up in Google Sheets. If you want to view quiz responses, open the file that you would like to view. Here, head on over to the Responses tab and you can view the responses. If you would like to assign scores and add feedback, head on over to the Individual tab, scroll down, and next to each question, type in the score and click Save. And to add feedback, at the bottom of each question, click Add Individual Feedback and type in what you would like to say and save. With quiz forms, you can also choose to export to Google Sheets. To do this, click Link to Sheets and select Create a new spreadsheet and click Create. And here, you can view the responses and the scores. You can also view the time when all the answers were submitted. And after reviewing all this, you can share it with the person of your choice. Now, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips or tricks or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.